because he got stuck in the crack. Oh, Bonnie, come here. I know. Yeah, you're done. She's not.
I'm gonna take your nail. I got it.
Fossey, this is your boy. Oh, so you gonna be like that?
He took your sucker? How do you know he took your sucker?
Toby, I'm sick. I don't have to go to work today. Toby.
Hey, it's gone. What the fuck?
Careful.
Yeah, you're done. Treat. Hill. Treat. Treat.
Bark if you love Jesus. Yeah. Bark if you love Jesus. Yeah. Hallelujah.
Okay, there's the cat. Leia.
Come on out.
That sounds like she said no.
Oh my god, I almost died.
Oh, no! Whoa, dude!
I know you've been talking to me.
Blue. Oh no! Oh no! No, don't eat that. No. Oh my gosh.
Who's that? That's a cute dog. Look at that dog.
Go potty. I said yes.
Bagel. Bagel. Bagel.
Give me a shake. Can you give me a burp? That was so nice.
Let me see your smile. Good job, baby.
Quit. Don't you get away from me. We're not friends anymore.
Chewy. You don't have to go home. We're just going outside to go potty. She doesn't want to play right now.
Sit. Sit.
I got bad news for you.
Whoa, nigga.
I done caught you again. I didn't even leave. I faked it.
Can I get an hour?
See, what do you think? Does that look like you?
Show everyone how you smile.
Come on, no.
Bubba, stop.
You want daddy? You want dad?
You are not going back outside. No, you're not.
What's the deal? I'm Power Play Bobby, the scrunch money, hardest white dog in the game. You heard?
Will you be my Valentine?
What?
Oh, no.
I'm sorry to tell you this, but you're, well, adopted.
You say, oh, big stretch. Nice to meet you. Can I say hello to you? My name's Tom. You can say hello. Hi. Hello.
You don't jump on my couch.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a damn dog.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.